Hey, my friend, very exciting times here. The myEcon global launch for 2025 is just about here. We are most likely at the time of this video just days away from this happening. So the very best thing that you can do is to be right here on my email list. Link in the description down below, and you can get on the email list. That's what you see on your screen right now. And I'm going to be emailing you, notifying you, letting you know up to the minute exactly when the global launch is officially going to happen. Now, in this video, I also want to cover a few other things. I want to talk about some information that I recently discovered in regards to the global launch for myEcon. Now, I'm going to go over some price points. I'm also going to go over some commissions, and I'm going to go over the products and services available to you so you know and understand everything that you're going to get, the commissions, all of that stuff. I'm going to cover that here in this video. So make sure you watch all the way through and get all of the details. I also want to let you know too, once we officially launch, I'm going to be live right here on my channel almost every single day for about a week or so, showcasing the new global launch and obviously letting everybody get in. I've been getting hit up with so many comments, so many messages, either over on Facebook or comments here on my YouTube channel. People just really chomping at the bit and waiting for the official global launch. I know there's a ton of people in Canada. I got people from all over the world reaching out, wanting to get access to the myEcon business opportunity because of the incredible compensation plan that myEcon offers. So it is coming, my friend. So just hang tight. Make sure you hit that link in the description down below. Just enter your name and email, get on my email list, and you will know exactly right up to the minute when it launches. And then, like I said, again, I'm going to be here live on my channel showing everything that you're going to get. Obviously, with our system, you're going to get over $10,000 in free value just for activating your business with myEcon, and we're going to give you our done-for-you system, which has all of your sales funnels. We do the email marketing for you, literally going to give you an app to run your entire business on your phone. It's going to be everything you need to get out there and start promoting literally the day we go live, and you're going to get that absolutely free just for activating your myEcon membership. Now, let's talk about some of the particulars, okay? What products and services are going to be available for a global member? Now, let's call it what it is, okay? myEcon is very much a financial success-driven company, okay? So things that are available here inside of the United States, things like credit repair and the W-4 income shifting strategy, that is not going to be a global product or service because it doesn't make sense to give you that if you're in Australia or New Zealand or Germany, and it just doesn't apply to you, okay? So one thing I know right off the bat is obviously you're going to get access to the travel membership. Now, travel is 100% global. You can create your travel account from anywhere, any country around the world. So you are going to get access to the travel membership. You're also going to get access to the full compensation plan. So this isn't going to be a limited compensation plan depending on which country you're in. No, you're going to get access to the entire compensation plan, which also means for you, you can promote. Let's say you are in Australia and you want to promote to the United States, you can do that. If you're in Canada and you want to promote to the United States, you can still share your myEcon affiliate link and you can sign people up for the different packages that are available here in the United States. You're going to have all of those links available to you in your myEcon members area. Also, if you're a member of our team, you're going to have those sales funnels that are pre-done for you and ready to go, okay? So your income is going to be exactly the same. Your income opportunity is going to be exactly the same as it is here in the United States. So there's no limitations on that, which is absolutely great. Now, I know there's been discussions of adding other products and services in there, which obviously, work hand in hand with the myEcon strategies that they've been, demonstrating for years here, 20 plus years being in business, helping people save on, eliminate debt, decrease taxes, increase take-home pay, all of those things. I'm sure there's going to be products and services that are going to complement that. I know for sure 100% travel is definitely the first thing that is going to be available. Just like many other, US based businesses that expand internationally. They have travel because, again, travel is a global product. Okay. So be on the lookout for that. And again, once we go live, I'll have all the details and be able to go over all of that with you. Now, price point. I do know for certain that the price point to join is going to be $59.95. Okay. So that I know 100% for sure. The global membership to get started is going to be $59.95. And then it's going to be $59 a month, just similar to the EBM membership, which is also $59 a month. So it's going to basically, fall into that category. Okay. So again, definitely attainable and achievable for overseas members. $59, not a lot of money, unlike many other programs out there. In a previous business that we were in, where you had to pay $250 just to get access to a travel site. um, so this is a big difference here, and it's a really, really, really great value considering you're again getting access to the full compensation plan as well as our 100% free system, which is valued at a documented over $10,000. So that is what I know for now. And again, this is going to be coming hopefully by the time you watch this video, hopefully days from right now. The global myEcon membership will be available to you. So again, please, if you are ready for this, if you are getting excited, if you are from overseas, or if you just want to stay in the know, make sure you hit that link in the description down below and get on my email list, because I will be emailing that list right as we go live. And when I go live here on my channel, when the actual launch goes live, I'll be sending that out as well. And again, I'll be using that email list to keep you up to speed when I go live here on my channel and I show you everything that is 100% ready to go for you. So very, very, very exciting times, my friend, not only for those of us here in myEcon, but again, it's just been getting absolutely crazy out there. Just the messages that we're getting, the text messages, the Facebook messages, the comments here on my channel. We have a lot of people that are very, very, very excited for this, and it's going to be very, very huge for myEcon. So if you are in the United States, I would not wait if I were you. That link is also in the description down below. Go ahead, get yourself started, lock in now. Trust me, if you have the opportunity, you want to be here on the inside before this thing goes boom. We're going to be jacking up and ramping up our rotators, putting more clicks out there, driving more traffic to our rotators, getting that out there and doing some marketing for you. So it's a great chance for you to get on the inside and let us help do some of that marketing for you. That is it, my friend. Go ahead, get on my email list. And also, if you're in the US, get started down below. I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for being here. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and also ring that bell and get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. Appreciate you. Hit those links in the description down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.